Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to perform a soft reset on your Sony headphones WH-1000XM4. This is especially useful if your headphones started acting weird. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to connect our headphones to a charger. You can see this Type-C input on the right headphone. I will plug the cable in, and you can see this indicator light up by red. This is okay, and it should be like this. As a next step, we would need to click on these two buttons on the left headphone, which is power on, power off button and custom button. We would need to click on them once until this indicator will turn off and then turn on again. So let's do it. I will click on these two buttons and stop holding them. Now when the indicator goes back by red, it means that the soft reset has been successful and now your headphones should start work normally. But if you are still having sound troubles, you can check out video on our channel how to factory reset these headphones. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.